Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you had a great Christmas and New Year. Today's the 1st of January and I thought what's not a better video to kick off this YouTube channel than 5 ways to make money in your spare time in 2019. So if you guys didn't know who I was, my name is Christos Fellas and I like to talk about how to make more money in your spare time, how to save more money and how to invest it a bit more wisely. If that's something that you're interested in, then please drop me a subscribe below as I'll be talking a lot more about these 3 things in the coming year. But that's enough waffling from me. It's time to talk about 5 things that you can do to make more money in 2019. Step number 1 is something that everyone can do, and that is selling all of your old junk on eBay. Go through your house, pick up everything that you don't use anymore and list it on eBay, 7-day auction, Sunday to Sunday, preferably around 7 or 8 PM, and just see what you can get for it. I've been doing this method for the last 3 months and I've earned around £1,500 to £2,000 just selling my old clothes, computer games and maybe phone accessories and whatnot. This is such a simple way to start making more money and it doesn't take much effort. All it takes is a camera to take some photos, a mobile phone to upload them to eBay and then sending them off to the post office once they've sold. Step number 2 is reselling. And a lot like number 1, you will be selling your stuff on eBay, but this time you'll be going out and purchasing your products from places like car boot sales, clearance aisles, or maybe even somewhere like Facebook Marketplace. What you would then do is list them on eBay for a higher price and hopefully make some profit from them. I've personally been doing this for around 3 or 4 months and it nets me around £100 to £200 profit per month. All it takes really is getting up at the crack of dawn on a Sunday morning or whenever your local car boot is, going out and finding the items. Step 3 is a thing called affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is simply just selling a product for another company online through a means of a blog, YouTube channel or your social media account. The key to making good money through affiliate marketing is by having a lot of traffic coming to your YouTube channel or your website. And the way you can get that is by producing good content, free content and valuable content. No one wants to go onto a YouTube channel when they're looking to buy a Canon camera, just like I've got there, and just all they'll see is someone going, buy this camera, buy this camera, buy this camera. That is the last thing they want to know. They want to know the pros about the camera. They want to know the cons about the camera. So really, really try not to have it as a seller focus. Really give your best honest opinion on the product that you're either reviewing or you're trying to market, and that's how you get your best results. The 4th way to make money in your spare time is by doing website design. This has personally been my number 1 source of side income over the last 2 years. And the way you can do it is by using a platform called WordPress. What's great about WordPress is that it's not too code heavy, you don't have to be too technical to learn it, and it sometimes can just take maybe a 2 or 3 hour YouTube video to learn how to do it. That's certainly how I learn, and it's something that you can easily do too. This is something I'll certainly be talking about in future videos, but if you wanted something quickly now, I'll leave a link in the description about a quick start guide that's about 2 or 3 hours long in how to make your first website using WordPress. My final way of making some extra money in 2019 is through a thing called social media management. Social media management is basically taking control of a company's Instagram, Facebook or Twitter account, creating content for them, creating adverts for them, and then they will pay you a monthly retainer to do that. This is something I'm definitely going to be exploring a lot more in 2019 and I will be documenting my journey across that. However, if you were looking for some quick tips now, please head over to Jordan Platton's YouTube channel. I'll leave a link in the description to him. He gives great free content, he's honest, genuine, and he's just a great guy, and you will learn a lot about social media marketing or management, whatever you want to call it, through his channel. So that wraps up my 5 ways to make extra money in 2019. If you did get some value from this video, please drop me a comment below. Leave me a like, give me some sort of feedback. This is my first video. I need as much as encouragement as I can get right now. And whether that just be feedback on what I could do to improve the setup that I've got here, anything is appreciated. So I hope you all have a great 2019 and I look forward to seeing you soon. Cheers.